Yo, what is going on, guys? This updated video today is going to be showing you some brand new NBA 2K26 locker codes. I spent a long time searching Google once again and also watching YouTube videos. Most of the locker codes for 2K26 are either expired or they give you very little in the way of resources. I'm going to be showing you the best locker codes currently working for 2K26, allowing you to get 450,000 VC and more. So these are definitely codes that you're definitely going to want to check out. So before I show you them, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always searching for updated and working codes. And I do create other 2K26 content as well. So basically, guys, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. As you can see, I've been searching for locker codes. But yeah, basically use your mobile to get your code, and then you can go ahead and just redeem it in the game once you get it. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it correctly. So Crash Coupons is basically a codes website, and they have codes for loads of different games. They don't only have 2K26 codes, they actually have loads of codes for stuff. So do recommend using the search bar, because that's going to allow you to just search for NBA 2K26. So make sure you type it correctly and it should pop up, guys. NBA. My internet's quite slow. There you go, it's popped up. So this is the locker codes page, guys, for 2K26. These are really highly rated codes, as you can see, and there's 4 different codes at the time of recording this video. So you can get the Taz face, you can get cap breakers, you can even get a free copy of the game, but if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you already have it. And this is the best code, guys. This is a 450,000 VC code. So this is going to allow you to get 450,000 free VC. Apologies for the slow internet. But yeah, basically you tap on it and then you need to click on this button. And this is going to give you a code. So these are limited, but there's like 400 at the minute at the time of recording. And they do replenish. So if you see this video quite late, there should still be codes available for you. So as you can see, because 450,000 VC is about $100 US, you do need to unlock your code. It's completely free, but it just prevents people taking more than one code. So click on this button, and it's pretty simple, guys. I did this earlier, but to unlock your 2K26 locker codes, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. Now, these offers are really easy things. They're basically like free mobile apps and stuff where you just have to download and open them. There's even stuff like completing surveys where you just enter in your info after you answer some questions. So they're all completely free. I did this earlier. I completed 2 of them and it took me about 5 minutes. But once you do that, it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons. And if you do everything correctly, your 2K26 locker code will be unlocked. So the full code will be shown. You simply redeem it in game, and this one's going to give you 450,000 VC. But yeah, they do have those other codes as well. So head on over to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions or need any assistance getting your locker code for 2K26, let me know. But it is pretty easy if you follow the instructions. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.